Raise both arms to the front. Close the fist and open. Close, open. Watching your fingers stretch. And start to rotate your wrist in clockwise and then anti-clockwise. And now anti-clockwise. In yoga, we tend to all the joints in the body, whether they are small or big. Release both arms on the side. Stand in Tadasana. And take a moment to imagine as if there is roots growing from your feet, going down, deep, deep down into the earth. And you feel firmly rooted to the ground. Standing tall, breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Now we are going to try some balancing poses. So if you have to move near the wall, that's absolutely fine. So maybe find your place near the wall so that if you needed the support, that support is there. If you don't need that, you can stay on your mat. Slowly lift the left heel, bend left knee and catch hold of your left ankle with left hand. Right arm remains on the side of the body. And if you have to, you can just release and let go. If you are happy to hold it for another little while, that's okay. Don't feel that you have to stay in this pose and slowly release. Come back to Tadasana, mountain pose. Slowly lift right heel, bend right knee and catch hold of the right ankle with right hand, left arm on the side of the body. And release. Standing tall in Tadasana, take a deep breath. Now we will do Vrikshasana. Vrikshasana is a tree pose. Lift right heel and place right foot either on the left shin or near the perineum. And remember, trees do move. So if you are moving, if you feel unstable, that's absolutely fine. Raise both arms. If it's a windy day, like I had a very busy day, so there is a lot of wind in my body and mind. So if you feel unstable, welcome to my world. And slowly release. Come back to stand in Tadasana. Slowly raise left heel. Place left foot on right shin or near the perineum. And slowly raise both arms. And you can move in and out of the pose, that's absolutely fine. And slowly release both arms on the side of the body. Release your foot. Come back to stand in Tadasana. Now the next pose that we will do is called Utkatasana. Utkatasana is chair pose. So bend the knees, you don't have to go very deep. If you have any acute knee pain or knee issues, then only bend them very slightly. If you have no problem, you can go as deep as you like. But just listen to your body, what your body is happy to do. So bend knees to your ability. Raise both arms to the front. Utkatasana. Exhale and inhale, come to stand. Exhale, bend the knees deeply, come in Utkatasana. And inhale, come to stand.